stop. Do you think this basketball will go in? How do you know that the basketball will or will not go in the net? Assumptions? Estimations? Maybe it was just a gut feeling you had? If you said physics, essay, then maybe you don't need this video. But for those of us who don't think about physics in our daily lives, maybe this introduction will give you some of the basic information about physics you need. Before we get into the physics of basketball, we must first find out what physics actually is. Physics, by the definition of the Oxford Dictionary, is the branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. The main subject, or branch of physics that we're going to be discussing today is mechanics, which includes 1D and 2D kinematics. This is kinematics. Kinematics analyzes the position and the motion of the object as a function of time without regard to the causes of motion. 1D kinematics only applies to left and right, while 2D kinematics can apply to left, right, up, or down. Some good and notable examples of 1D kinematics is driving a car down the road, going bowling, and aiming it perfectly straight, or a sprinter running across a 100-meter track. Some notable examples of 2D kinematics includes throwing a football in a perfect arc, running off a cliff, and for my example, throwing a basketball in an arc into the hoop. The main thing we will have to focus on here is the vertical axis with gravity, as the horizontal axis is always a constant velocity, if you are including no air resistance into your equation. Now, to answer the question of why this happens on a daily basis is due to gravity itself. Gravity is a constant, not exact constant, but it is a constant that runs through our entire planet at a rate of 9.81 meters per second squared. Without gravity, there will be no way of getting back onto the ground unless something pushes on you from up top, which in our daily lives is probably impossible. So thanks, gravity. While a lack of gravity is certainly detrimental to a person's survival on Earth, it also plays a major role in basketball, as without gravity, the ball will never come back down to the ground, so you could never hit that perfect 3-point Stephen Curry swish shot that you always wanted. So, do you think I made the shot with...
What's happening?
I think the video is editing itself! Somebody help!